Start by opening the terminal. Next, enter the command displayed on the screen and follow the instructions provided there. If the initial command does not work because the curl package is missing, there is an alternative command you can use instead. To log in to your NordVPN account, type NordVPN login in the terminal. When you want to connect to a NordVPN server, simply type NordVPN Connect. To access NordVPN settings, just type NordVPN in the terminal, which allows you to customize preferences using a variety of commands. Alternatively, you can type man NordVPN in the terminal to see detailed explanations of all commands. By combining the transparency of open-source software with NordVPN's privacy and advanced security features, you can ensure a safer online experience. Make sure to check out the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.